boss, the scallywags.
Welcome back to the Blackbeard Galley for another quick fix meal. This one brings a lot of childhood memories back of my Portuguese grandmother. She was always in the kitchen and made sure nobody ever left hungry. My Portuguese heritage traces back to the volcanic island of Madeira, which is about an hour and a half flight from mainland Portugal. I was lucky enough to visit in the early 2000s and also lucky enough to visit the now overgrown and derelict house which my grandparents actually lived in. With an area of 800 square kilometers and a population of under 300,000 people, I was lucky enough to actually visit north, south, east and west of the island during my stay. This is going to be a chickpea salad loosely based on the very popular Portuguese dish Salada de Bacalhau, which is a chickpea salad with dried salted cod, which is soaked overnight to soften and then added later. There are many different versions of this and it's very popular around Christmas and Easter. So I'm not much of a fish fan, but if you ever get the chance to have a proper bacalhau salad, do it, it's just awesome. This dish is so simple to prepare with minimal ingredients and at low cost. It's unless you decide to add bacalhau. A Kruger Rand could probably get you a kilo at the moment. Okay, so the ingredients. Chickpeas. Now I'm going with canned chickpeas. It's just a lot simpler, a lot quicker. If you have the time and you're willing to do the overnight soaking method with the dried chickpeas, this way you can at least control the firmness of the chickpea. I'm going with a half an onion for the tin. Fresh parsley. This to me is crucial to this dish, just as crucial as the fresh chilies. Fresh chopped garlic. Got your vinegar, your olive oil, and then the dish you're going to mix it up in. Okay, so I'm going to start with the onion. I like everything really finely chopped. Just works better for this dish for me. And then again, crucial, chilies. Got to have chilies. Got to have chilies. And that's it. Once we've got all our ingredients finely chopped, we're ready to put it all into the bowl and mix it up. All that's left to do now is mix it all up. I'm going to start with the chickpeas. Already been drained and rinsed. Next, the onions. Fresh chopped parsley. I'm going to go with the chopped onions. Chopped chili. Generous dash of olive oil. Splash of vinegar. And that's it, it's done. Just got to mix it all up. And that's it, simple as that, done. I personally prefer to let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour or so, just to let all the flavors work through. It holds in the fridge really well for some time. And as far as a meatless dish goes, this is a sure win. And again, Portuguese cuisine for the win. Cheers, enjoy.